Hi guys, bit of 3D printing. It's gone a bit stringy. I think the filament might have been absorbing a bit of moisture from the atmosphere recently. Anyway, any idea what that might be? I expect the title of the video probably gives it away. So that's the top. And that's the bottom. Yeah, that's right. That goes that way up. Oh, that goes that way up. Some air gaps underneath. Yeah, we'll have a look, see if that works. I've also designed another version, which I'll start printing now. That'll be a separate video. So this is one of those random ideas I get from time to time. Picked this up in a charity shop a while back, well, before Christmas. It's Christmas Angels. And I think I ran this one using a cup warmer, because you get heat rising and the rotor on the top spins on the hot air rising. What you're supposed to do is you've got a tea light there. That thing sits on there. That sits on top. And then if you've got hot air rising, it will spin. That might be spinning because there's a little bit of a breeze going across the table. Or it might just be spinning because I touched it. If I put my warm hands under it, there might be enough warm air rising. Don't think there is. My hands aren't warm enough at the moment. That's actually going backwards. Yeah, normally tea light under there, hot air rising, and that would make it spin. And then you've got pretty little angels there on this one to attach. There's little holes on the petals there to make it look pretty. What I want to do is make a heat tower, so that instead of using a flame, we just use the sun to heat a tube. So sun hits the tube, that warms it up, air rises, and that will make that spin. Not like that. So yeah, I've printed this. Need to tidy it up a little bit. And a bit of black card, cut it to size to fit in there. Also cut it to size. And we probably want it, I'm not sure whether we want that to be inside the tower or just outside it. No, I think I measured it. That will fit inside, which was my measurement. But that's probably too close a fit. And it'll probably bind on it because it's going to wobble around a bit. So it'll probably pay me to have this just a bit shorter, so it's just sticking out the top. So I'll have to measure that up, take off that distance. So put mark there, and then take off the thickness of that and the thickness of that. Or conveniently, I can make that 100. The size isn't relevant to you, because if you happen to have one, you'll have to take your own measurements. I'm going to roll this up. Roll it up a bit too tight first, and then it should be easier to get in there. Right, if I cut that there, because that's on the outside edge, it should just overlap a little bit. Right, so there we are, assembled. A bit of super glue down the seam to hold it together. There's the seam. Yeah, put a bit of super glue down there just to hold it together. I haven't glued it to the top and the bottom because I have an idea that I'm going to change this, so it might be handy to be able to move bits to a different location if necessary. And what we need now is sunlight. Right, we'll put the halogen light on the side and see if we can warm it up. I'm trying hard not to breathe in that direction. It moved a tiny bit. Yeah, we have definite rotation. Whether we'll get it in sunlight or not, it'll be a bit difficult to tell if there's any sort of breeze blowing around, because that will also spin it. But that is definitely spinning from the heat rising up now. I suppose what I should have done was got my thermometer so we could actually look at the temperature. Alright, thermometer. Come round on that side. Can we see it there? Yeah, we can see it there. So point it. Is camera picking that up? Saying 47. If I hold it there, it's in shadow. Oh, there we go, 47. Oh gosh. 86, well, I'm pointing it right in the middle. 75. 97. Can you see that? There's a good chance we can actually set fire to it, because there's a lot of heat coming off that light bulb. But yeah, we got 119 now. Can you see that? Yeah, just see that. So we don't actually want to catch fire to the paper or the card. So I'll take that off now. So yeah, success. Well, at least success in artificial circumstances with a fake sun. So I will go and put it in the window ledge, but well, it's just coming up to midnight at the moment, so there isn't any sun out there. And as I say, it'll be difficult to tell whether it's working in sunlight, because there'll be a lot of breeze blowing around. Oh, we'll find out. Anyway, that works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.